What is Devin AI? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see what Devin is. So on Devin, it is basically a fully autonomous AI software engineer. Yes, you heard it right. It will help you complete all your tasks independently, working side by side, and you won't have to work with it. You just have to review the work that is done by Devin AI. You would be given certain screens on your desktop or your device, and on one screen you would be getting the codes done by the Devin AI. On one screen, the Devin would be able to check out the Google search and check out all the different details that it has to find, and there will be certain screens and Devin will be utilizing them in order to complete its task. So it will basically help in the coding and all sort of software engineer related stuff. So the software engineer can work on the more important tasks rather than working on the minimal or the initial task for completing a code. And the person would have to just review the codes done by Devin AI. And as for the performance, Devin AI is competing against some of the good names out there in the industry and beating them quite easily. And you can check it out over here, like Devin is giving way better performance as compared to its peers, and it is giving around 13.86% of the issues that it has resolved as compared to ChatGPT 4 or 3.5 or Cloud 2. So you can check it yourself. So this is what Devin AI is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.